Hi friends, welcome back to Millets TV. Today we're gonna learn about a Kashayam which helps to boost your immunity and also helps to fight against coronavirus. There are two ways to improve your immunity. One is regular workout and another one is proper diet. If you include Kashayam in your diet, you will see a lot of changes. Always remember, prevention is better than cure. Please try this at your home and let me know. Now we'll see the required ingredients and the procedure. For that we need 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 inch ginger, 1 lemon with skin, 4 cloves and 1 liter of water. Cut the lemon into pieces. Make sure you cut it with the skin. Now add water into the bowl. Add all the required ingredients: lemon, clove, turmeric powder, and before adding ginger, smash it and add. Stir it once. Make sure you put the stove in the sink. And let it boil until the 1 liter water becomes half liter. Stir occasionally. The Kashayam becomes half. Now turn off the stove. Remember to filter the Kashayam before you drink. And this is the final Kashayam. Trust me friends, it will taste really good and very healthy also. Please do drink Kashayam regularly and improve your immunity.